Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my birthday is done with, and now it's back to work, and I don't work. I don't want to do it. Okay, I don't want to do it. I want to live in my 30th birthday. Okay, no, but seriously, I'm actually kind of excited to get back to work because I have so much that I want to do and show, and so many like new ideas and stuff. I'm excited. So I'm filming my hair right now. I think I'm about to do some wand curls, y'all, and I haven't done wand curls on a blowout in so freaking long, and I don't know, I'm just kind of excited because I haven't done this since I had colored hair, and I really loved how it looked, and I haven't put heat to my hair. Curling wands are really hot. I'm a little bit like, ugh, but I do want to do it. So I think I'm gonna do it because I want to do it. I'm not going anywhere. I don't have any plans, but I want to see how my hair looks with this hairstyle. So I already have my hair section off, and so now I need to blow dry it and stuff. I was about to go work out, y'all, but it's raining outside. It looks disgusting, and y'all need to see what I came back home to. I went to Savannah last weekend, and I came back home. My backyard is flooded with mud, like clay mud, and that's the stuff that they use for those houses, to build houses and stuff. So when it rains, it comes to my yard. But now I gotta figure out who to talk to, because that I didn't do that. Y'all gotta come clean that shit up. Okay, I ain't do that. So I ain't cleaning it. I ain't paying for that. Come do that. That's what I'm paying HOA, because if y'all F some S shit up, okay, I'm gonna call you. So I'm gonna call you. I'm trying to get my day started. I've planned it out. I had a video that I need to go live today, so I had to wake up at 6 a.m. to film it, y'all. I'm dedicated. And now I need to message my editor. I actually don't have to. I know she already has it, but I want to make sure she does because I want this to go live today. So I'm gonna go ahead and ping her now. And I use Hangouts on Google to message my employees, because we go through Google. And when I say employees, I mean like my manager and my editor. Those are the only two that I have. Now I do have a graphic designer and stuff like that, but I don't use this. I use another platform for that. I use freelancer.com for those people, and we have to ping through their chat. In the mornings, I like to go to GoodNotes to see like what is my calendar for the week. So this is what my month looked like as far as like content. Now it was full every day, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday was full, but as the day goes by, like I just switch that up, and it's very easy to switch something to another day. I'll just go up here, click the lasso tool, and then I'll just like grab it, and you can move this Kicking It with Kim anywhere you want it to be. So super easy to move stuff around. My 3 steps to a perfect wash day was on Monday. I just filmed that, which needs to go live today because today is Monday. The wand curls on blown out hair, that's something I'm about to film now. I'm gonna try to film it today so that we can be ahead, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I like to do. And then we're currently vlogging the Kicking It with Kim, so here we go. And now this is on Monday, but you know, it can easily get to the next month. Y'all know me. I done told y'all like the rate my subscribers were gonna be here. I don't know if it's actually gonna be here on Monday. So like, don't get your panties in a wad if it's not, okay? And see, look, she sees it, but there's only 2 files synced. So like, she's letting me know they haven't come through on her end, but I know they're sent on my end. So that's good. And I need to go ahead and do my month of September. I think I've done a few things. That's why I'm not gonna click it yet, but yeah. Coming soon. First of all, don't mind my hair right now, but let me tell you, friend, the smell in this house is impeccable, honey. It's impeccable. Let me show you. Okay, y'all. So I have my jerk Alfredo sauce right here, y'all. Look at how, ooh, look at that. Oh, it's so creamy. Love that for me. Okay. And this is the veggies with shrimp. I'm trying to decide if I want to add some more corn. I think I'm going to add some more corn at the end. And then I have the pasta. This is the pasta that I got. I wanted to try out this protein plus penne pasta. So this is my first time trying it. I'll let you know how it goes. So what I'm doing after the pasta is done, I'm going to put some of the pasta water into the pasta as well. And I'm going to add the sauce to the pot as well. So I'm going to add everything to this because this is where all that flavor is. Y'all see all that seasoning. I want some kind of like garlic bread. I don't have any, but I think I have some buns, like some Hawaiian buns. I got some Hawaiian hamburger buns. So I'm about to whip these bad boys up. First, let me get my little cream base. And then I'm just gonna add some garlic powder right on top of that. And I like to just smush it. Now you need to do this with like softened butter. If it's too cold and too hard, it's not gonna really do this, but just get the garlic coated in the butter. Just got done working out, friend, and whew, I haven't worked out in like 2 weeks, friend. 2 weeks. My hair, I just did these one curls like yesterday, and I've already sweated them out. I went out into the humidity of Atlanta. I went outside, it said poof, and then I just worked out. Yeah, my hair is to shit. But anyway, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some rods in it now. That's enough heat. Now I'm about to do a rod set. Since it's still blown out, I'm about to eat this whole hairstyle. Okay. Sky is drinking her water, so if y'all hear that, that's what that is. I got this Tribe Tokes. This company like reached out to me, and they sell like CBD vape pens. You won't come up positive for drug tests or anything like that. Helps with anxiety, but this one is for happiness and relaxation. Anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all what it was in case y'all saw me vaping, you know? Just gotta chill your body, your mind, relax, go on. I'm about to give Sky some treats. I'm thinking some little steak things. Say hey, Sky baby. Say hey. Say hey, Sky baby. I love you. I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Say hey to the people. Say hey to the people, mama. Hi, Toodle. Oh, I love me some Sky, y'all. Yes. But yeah, I just worked out. I did some interval. I did HIIT cardio. So I ran for like 20 seconds. Oh, and I realized I did not show y'all that pasta, the ending result of my pasta. And that is because I ate the shit out of that shit. Okay, it's gone, honey. By the time I thought about it, the ending pasta is gone. But it's all right. Y'all done seen me make that pasta before, so we Gucci. I think I'm about to do some upper body stuff today. I always neglect upper body, and I think I need to do that today. But let me show you these glutes. My battery about to die though, but let me show you these glutes, honey, because I haven't given y'all like an update, but I just want to let y'all know, like, they came through. Okay, there's jiggle, there's booty. You can't call me a no booty. Hey, you can't call me a no booty. Hey, you can't call me a no booty. No mo. My friend about to come cook me some lunch. I think we're gonna do salmon burgers. Yum, yum, yum. Also, I don't think I told you guys, but I came back to like red clay being in my backyard, and they came by and they're about to clean it up, so I'm like super happy. Let me show y'all how it look now. It was worse than this. I posted on my Instagram. Oh, look at this, my backyard. All that red clay everywhere. What they're gonna do, they're gonna take one of my fenced out, because I don't have a gate to my fence. They're gonna take one of those fenced out, and they're gonna put it back when they're finished, but then they're gonna like take the turf, rinse it out and all that shit. So hopefully they clean all that shit up. Anyway, I just want to tell y'all that because it's about to get clean and y'all wasn't gonna see that before. Okay. House owner stuff, you know. Seriously, there are like things that happen to your home, but a lot of things are paid for by your HOA and by insurance companies and stuff like that. So you don't have to come out of your pocket for everything like people be saying.
Yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
my little snack, my little snack, my little snackity snack. I have some zesty Italian and some cucumbers and a little bit of vinegar, and I like it. And some pepper. Little snacky snack. So here's the deal, friend. Since my wand curls, you know, are kind of like to shits at this point, I decided to do knotless braids, and that was my very first time. I haven't even recorded it or anything yet. I honestly just wanted to see which color I was gonna use, and I think I'm gonna use the blue because the purple just isn't giving me enough. I don't have a lot of black, so I'm hoping that my hair is thick enough to do the feed in really, really nicely. I'm kind of thinking it out of my head because I got a lot of black hair on my head, and since I'm doing jumbo, that's a lot of hair. So I'm hoping I can feed in a little bit lower and then start the blue like right here. But I'm gonna keep this braid in. It ain't take that long, honestly. But y'all, look, this ain't bad for my very, very, very first knotless braid of my entire life. I've never done them. And that's my first one. And I'm only gonna do 16 on my head, y'all. I kind of decided that. But this is really on a whim. I'm just like, I want to do another protective style. Like, I'm thinking I want to really practice doing protective styles more. So that's kind of where I am right now. I want to practice. I want to get better. So if y'all see more and you see me take them out the next day, just mind your business. I'm practicing. Let me practice. All my braids ain't got to stay in just because they cute. Like, I be practicing. This is the mess I have. Y'all see the products that I'm using in the video today. But I went ahead and kind of took the hairs out of the pack. They are pre-stretched, so I love that for me. Because I was using this purple, but I realized this shit's not pre-stretched and I ain't really got time. So yeah, I ain't gonna be using that. But this is the blue hair that I'm using. Boom, okay. And that's the same brand of the black hair that I have. I didn't even know that I had the same exact brand. So this works. Looks like it's the same length. So I basically have 2 bundles of the black and 2 of the blue. So basically 2 packs of the 2-pack. So 4 bundles of hair is all that I have for this hairstyle. That's all your girl got to work with. I was like, I'm gonna look through my stash and see what I have, and if I don't have it, it's not gonna get done. I was like, let me just make up something. I want to challenge myself to use the hair that I already have in the house. So yeah, here we are. But I really need to film, so I'm gonna clean this up and make it a little more neat, and then I'm going to start filming, y'all. All right, y'all, I know this vlog kind of feels like a bunch of food, but y'all, this salad is so good. I have a honey garlic glazed salmon on top of my salad, and I have jalapenos, tomatoes, cheese, croutons. Oh my god, it tastes so good. All right, you guys, so I am just sectioning off my hair for the knotless braids. I'm applying a little bit of the cream, but not a lot, because I want to apply it in camera so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know right now I'm just sitting in front of my 2 mirrors. Y'all see I have a mirror behind me, and then this one in front of me, so you can see both mirrors right there, because I need to see the front and the back. I wish I had another one to see the side. But I'm just parting it off and applying the edge booster to the roots, and just applying one of these little clip thingies, you know. So that's what I'm doing for you. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. It's another day, another dollar. All right, so I finished my braids. I finished my braids, y'all, and I went to sleep, so I'm re-braiding them because I haven't dipped them in the water. I was gonna do that on camera, but girl, I ain't gonna take the product stay. Y'all been having me burn my blade, okay? I ain't gonna do it. Burn it for the tube, I ain't gonna do it. Burn it for the tube, I ain't gonna do it. I'm glad I tried these out, y'all, because I wanted to do knotless braids for so long. And this gave me an idea of the concept. So, I like it. I'm trying to just replait the bottom of these so they be tight. Boiling water, check. Towel. I got a towel from a brand Aveda sent me this beach towel. This will work. We'll put this on my body.
Wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna stay with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend.
All right, y'all. This is it. My braids. My 16 braids. For the first time, I don't think this is that bad. But it ain't great. It ain't great. All right, cool. I think I'm gonna work out though. I think I'm gonna do a little workout. I need to go film the ending of this video. Breakfast is cooking. Cooking. Here's my pancake. Perfect pancake. And some bacon. Okay, y'all, this is the last meal I'm gonna show y'all because this is the end of the vlog. Hi, Sky. Hi, Dash. Hi, Dash. Hello, buddy. Anyway, this is the last meal. I'm gonna show y'all. Well, the entree is coming, but I made this salad and it's gonna be bomb. I have zesty Italian in it, but I'm gonna add some ranch. Cranberry juice with a little pineapple in there, girl. Try to make it all fruity and cute. And then this is white Hennessy and pineapple juice. My favorite mix of all time. This is my dinner. It's pasta and chicken with bacon and spinach. And oh my God, y'all. I don't even want to finish talking about my food because I'm hungry. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Friends. I forgot to put an ending to this video. So this is the ending, y'all. Last night, I just ate that food. Oh my God, that pasta and that salad. Sign me up for that. Okay, it was nice hanging with y'all. I hope y'all like this vlog. If you did, like, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know below what you want to see me include in my next vlog. Like, do y'all want some hair stuff, more workout stuff, more influencer type stuff? Like, what do you want to see in my next vlog? I can focus on that. Like, I do all that shit weekly, you know what I'm saying? But some things I just don't capture. So, like, what do you like? What do you personally like, friend, in vlogs? I just want to know, because I want to vlog more. I got so much more to show y'all. But anywho, let me send this to my editor so I can possibly get something out today. I hope you guys had a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Mwah.
Not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself.